Welcome everyone. Again, today we will cover here group number 17. As you know, in the last lecture we covered group number 16, that was oxygen family. Now we will oxygen family. After oxygen family, group number 17 is there, which is known as halogen family. So we will cover this halogen family one by topic one by one. So before starting with this halogen family, let us introduce the elements involved in the halogen family. The elements are as follow. The very first is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene. Symbols are as follow. Atomic number is also given. Atomic number you can find it out by using magic number concept. 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 18, 35, 35 plus 18, 53, 53 plus 32 gives you 85. Configuration is as follows. This is the outermost electronic. I have just used that inner core configuration. Uh, just telling the writing down the outer shell configuration of each element. So from electronic configuration we can find several important things. From the configuration only we can find out its group number and period number. Since let us take this configuration, 2s helium, 2s2, 2p5. Since the last shell involved is second, so means the period number will be second. Group number can be found from the electron involved in the outer shell. Electron are 7. 7 addition with the 10. 7 plus 10 give you 17. 17 is a group number, and that is a fluorine. Similarly, you can find for every element. Now switch to physical properties. Physical properties we will study one by one. The very first is physical state. Physical state means how the element exists in actually exist in nature. The fluorine and chlorine, they exist as gases. Usually they are gaseous in state, and bromine exists as liquid. We have studied that bromine is a sole non-metal which exists in the liquid state. Otherwise all other non-metals, they are found in gaseous state only. In the last, iodine, it is found in the solid state. Next now why this trend is like this, you can answer it very easily. From fluorine to iodine, what we are observing that the sizes are increasing. Their size is increasing. So due to increase in size, van der Waals forces increases. Internuclear forces increases. Due to increase in the internuclear forces, their state also changes from gases to solid. Solid has highest forces as compared to gases. Next is atomic radii. Atomic radii increases down the group. You can answer it you can just reason it out very easily from top to bottom, from down the group. The number of shells involved increases, so hence size also, atomic radii also increases. Next is along the period, halogens are smaller in size and that then oxygen family. Why they are smaller in size? Because of increase in nuclear charge along the period. Next is ionization enthalpy. You know very well what is ionization enthalpy. It is defined as the amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from the gaseous atom. So ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. Why it decreases? Because size increases. Second point to remember, that fluorine has maximum ionization enthalpy, means maximum in the energy is required to remove electron from fluorine. Now next is electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy is that enthalpy which releases when an electron is added to the isolated gaseous atom. So usually in this case the enthalpy is in negative form. Negative here sends out that the energy is released. It is after addition of electron, actually heat is evolved out, energy evolved out. So as we study in thermodynamics, that if enthalpy is negative, means the reaction is exothermic. So here they have negative electron gain enthalpy. These negative values decreases down the group. Why it decreases? Because size increases. If size will increase, then it will be difficult for the atom to accommodate incoming electron. One thing more here to note down is that chlorine has more negative electron gain enthalpy than fluorine. Otherwise the trend should be that fluorine should be having highest negative electron gain enthalpy, but fluorine rule it out. Why this is so? We can answer it on the exceptional behavior of fluorine. Since fluorine size is the smallest in its family. Due to smaller size, as we are studying electron gain enthalpy, means electron is to be added. So when fluorine being the smallest in size, when we try to add an extra electron to it, so what it feels electron repulsion. Due to this repulsion, so the energy evolved out or the heat evolved out far less than the chlorine, because chlorine size is bigger, so it can accommodate incoming electron very easily without undergoing electron repulsion. So this is important in the physical property of electron gain enthalpy. Next is electronegativity. Fluorine has maximum electronegativity on Pauling scale. Its value is found to be 4.0. And electronegativity decreases down the group. You can answer it out. Why? Because size increases. Tendency to attract shared pair of electron towards itself also decreases with increase in size. This is important. This color, all the halogens which we are studying, they basically impart color. We have to learn the color. Fluorine, it impart light yellow color. Chlorine, it impart greenish yellow color. Bromine, it impart reddish brown color. Iodine, it impart deep violet color. Now why they impart color? So we can answer this concept on the basis of absorption of the absorption spectra of these molecules. What they do whenever visible light fall on them, these molecules, what they do, they absorb light. They absorb light of suitable frequency. These absorbed light causes the electron in the ground state to come to the higher energy state. So when they come to higher energy state after the absorption of light, so that energy state, that highest energy state, is not stable. So as soon as the excited electrons, they come back to the ground state. So when they come back to the ground state, they impart color. They releases energy. That energy release is in form of color. Next is bond dissociation enthalpy, BDE. Chlorine has maximum bond dissociation enthalpy as fluorine. It is an exceptional term. Why? Because fluorine size is smaller, having inter-electronic repulsion, due to which FF bond easily breaks out. But chlorine, as a trend says that the bond dissociation enthalpy should decreases down the group because of increase in size. But here chlorine is having highest electron gain enthalpy than fluorine, due to the exceptionally smaller size and inter-electronic repulsions present in fluorine.